Margo's Corporation produces air filtration systems. Information pertaining to the company's monthly direct labor usage is provided below. So we have labor rate, labor hours, filtration systems produced, actual labor hours, and actual labor rate. Compute the company's labor rate variance and then labor efficiency variance. All right, so let's start with labor rate. That's a little messy. Rate variance. So rate being kind of the focus here. How are we doing essentially in a per hour sort of measure? So actual labor hours. So the actual labor hours were 26,400. 26,400 actual labor hours. We're going to multiply this times the standard rate minus the actual rate. So the standard rate is $21 per hour. And the actual rate, we're going to have to do the math there. It's 607,200 divided by 26,400. All right. So 26,400 times 21 minus, let's do this math. 607,200 divided by 26,400 gives us 23. So this is 26,400 times 2. 26,400 times 2 is 52,800. All right, so the standard rate was 21. The actual rate was 23, so this is unfavorable. All right, now labor efficiency variance. Okay, so for labor efficiency, we start with the standard hourly rate, which is $21. Multiply that by our standard hours. Standard hours per filtration system is 1.2, and we produced 24,000, so 24,000 times the 1.2. And then we're going to subtract that from the actual hours, which was the 26,400. All right. 24,000 times 1.2 is 28,800 minus the 26,400. All right, 28,800 minus 26,400 is 2,400. So this is 21 times 2,400, which is 50,400. And here, the standard rate is 28,000 and our actual was 26, so this is favorable. So this is A, right? And this is B. C says an extremely large order of air filtration systems was filled during the month for export to China. Filling this order resulted in extended hours for many of the company's workers. Which labor variance reflects the extra hours worked by the employees, and was their time well utilized? Well, so the labor efficiency one is the one that looks at the hours worked, whereas the labor rate is focused on the price per hour. And this says that we were very favorable, so they did utilize their time well.